and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. The Bitcoin price jumped to $59,100 in the minutes following the US CPI data easing inflation report, higher by nearly 2%. However, it has now traced back to its $57,000 level mark. Well, it is now trading at $57,325, down by 1% in the last 24 hours. The altcoins are quite sluggish on a daily scale. Ethereum and Binance coins are slightly in the red, trading at $3,120 and $528 respectively. While Sol and Doge have declined by just over 1% to $142 and $0.11. Also, Chainlink has lost the most value from the larger cap alts and sits below $13. In contrast, AVAX has jumped the most and trades above $25. So Stacks has popped out as today's top performer. The asset has soared by 14% in a day and trades close to $1.7. LDO follows suit with a 7% jump. The total crypto market cap is slightly in the red, currently sitting at $2.250 trillion. JP Morgan has reduced its year-to-date crypto net flow estimate to $8 billion from $12 billion, citing a decline in Bitcoin reserves across exchanges over the past month. The bank's reduced estimate is largely driven by the decline in reserves, likely due to liquidations by creditors of Gemini or defunct crypto exchange Mt. Gox or selling by the German government. While the bank's reduced estimate is comprised of a $14 billion net flow into crypto funds, by July 9, $5 billion Chicago Mercantile Exchange futures flows, $5.7 billion of fundraising by crypto venture capital funds year to date, and a $17 billion adjustment to account for the rotation from wallets on exchanges to new spot Bitcoin ETFs. The Wall Street firm is skeptical that the prior estimate of $12 billion will continue for the rest of the year. Tron has demonstrated resilience in the volatile crypto market, with daily transactions exceeding 7 million and causing a price surge over 14% in the last 30 days. The 24-hour transaction volume on Tron blockchain has surged to over 7 million and are driven by increase in TRX transfers. While Tron's strong user base with over 2.2 million active addresses surpasses competitors like Ethereum in active engagement, founder Justin Sun maintains a bullish outlook on Tron and its ecosystem despite market volatility. BitGet, a cryptocurrency exchange, reported a $700 million capital inflow and increased website traffic in Q2, with a 50% increase in traffic over Q1 and 10 million monthly visitors. The exchange also saw 2.9 million new users and a 10% increase in spot trading market volume compared to Q1. Though BitGet's Bitcoin, Tether and Ether holdings increased by at least 70%, resulting in about $700 million in capital inflow. While BitGet launched a $20 million ecosystem fund in Q2 in collaboration with Singapore-based investment firm Foresight Ventures, aiming to support early-stage projects on Tron and accelerate the development of Tron ecosystem. The exchange's proof of reserve ratios remain intact, with company holding more than 100% of cryptocurrencies compared to user funds, and the company's protection fund is valued at over $420 million, providing additional security for users. Into the Block reports that 83% of the 53.57 million Bitcoin investors worldwide are currently experiencing gains. Despite recent market turbulence, about 17% of holders are not in profit, 13% are facing losses from higher prices, and 4% are at break-even. Around 44.61 million Bitcoin holders continue to benefit from their investments, particularly those who entered the market below $50,000. Now, despite recent market volatility, this majority remains in profit, demonstrating the resilience of Bitcoin's long-term investment appeal. However, there is a notable trend affecting long-term holders, with average returns potentially dipping into losses for the first time in over a year. Shibarium is an Ethereum L2 solution designed to improve scalability and transaction efficiency on the Ethereum blockchain. However, data from Shibarium scan has shown a steady decline in user activity on the network. The daily count of unique addresses that completed at least one transaction on Shibarium totaled 504 on July 9, marking the network's monthly low. The drop in active address count began on July 5 and has since declined by 33%. As of July 10, only 11 new addresses were created on Ethereum, a 93% decrease from the 167 new addresses created on July 5. The number of new transactions also dropping to a monthly low of 3,400. DogeCoin has experienced significant on-chain activity, indicating a bullish sentiment among market participants. Into the block's whale net flow metric indicates that DogeCoin is flowing into the addresses of major holders in large amounts, with number rising from the negative zone to 364.38 million Doge over the specified period. Now, this indicates that big investors are buying a lot of DogeCoin, which may be beneficial for the price, and market lows often match bursts of net flow, showing more buying during price drops. Furthermore, 417.68 million Doge have been added to the wallets of major DogeCoin holders, while amount of coins leaving these large holders' wallets has decreased from 85.5 million to 53.3 million Doge. And this increase in network indicators show more influential players are participating in Doge market, and big investors believe the meme crypto will perform well. Animoca brand's Mochaverse, a membership collection of 8,888 unique NFTs, saw a sales increase of $57.2 million on Ethereum blockchain, up from $3.76 million the previous day. CryptoPunks, the second-ranking collection, saw a total sales volume of $621,865 with transactions from 6 unique buyers and sellers. CryptoPunk's all-time sales volume stands over $2.85 billion, ranking it third in the industry. In the market, the third-ranked collection generated $514,735 in sales on the Mythos blockchain, while other notable collections include BAYC and Froganis, which ranked 4th and 5th respectively. Froganis, hosted on the Solana network, recorded $3.12 million in daily sales, second only to Ethereum. While God's Unchained cards as well as DogeCoin collection also made headlines, with the God's Unchained cards seeing over $457,583 in sales without any seller activity, and DogeCoin collection amassing $435,944 from 10,534 unique buyers. Bitpanda, a major European crypto exchange, has issued an urgent warning to crypto holders about an increasing in phishing scams. The exchange has been aware of an increase in phishing text messages where the sender pretends to be Bitpanda. Now, these messages can sometimes appear in the same chat as legitimate text due to attackers impersonating the sender's identity and mobile network, not always verifying who is sending the message. To keep crypto holders safe, Bitpanda urged users to verify the sender or caller for every message and incoming call. Be wary of messages or calls from the unknown number or email addresses claiming to be from the Bitpanda support team, and never click on links in unsolicited messages even if they appear to be from Bitpanda. Users should use the official contact form on the Bitpanda website to check the legitimacy of suspicious requests. MicroStrategy, the largest corporate holder of Bitcoin, has announced a 10-for-1 stock split affecting its share on August 1. The split will be effected on August 1 and shares will be distributed after the market close on August 7. The company claims the split will make its shares more accessible to investors and employees, while MicroStrategy share price has more than tripled over the past year, reaching an all-time record of over $1,900 in March. The company, led by Executive Chairman Michael Saylor, is often seen as a leveraged play on the price of Bitcoin. After its latest purchase last month, the company held 226,331 BTC worth over $13 billion. Stock splits are common among public companies whose shares have significantly appreciated, and the split could make the stock more accessible to smaller retail investors by reducing the share price. So that's all in the bulletin today. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3voicetv.io or scan the QR code.